Hey there, my name is Olivia, and today I'm going to share with you how to sign up for a client portal in CoachVantage. For clients to get started using CoachVantage with their coach, they should first have an active client portal. A coach must email a portal invite to a client in order for a client to sign up. As a client, you activate your client portal through a link in the email that a coach has sent you. So, the first step is to go to your email inbox and find the email from your coach. The subject of your email should look something like this. Coach name invites you to create a client account portal. Click Create Account to get started. Once you click on the Create Account button in the email, you will be redirected to a page where you will create your client account. Your name and your email will automatically populate in this form. Next, select your time zone from the drop-down menu. It's very important that you select the correct time zone, as all meetings and appointments will be based on the time zone that you select. Lastly, enter a very strong password here that abides by the requirements below. After you've selected your password, click Create Account to get started. Great work! You have successfully signed up for the client portal in CoachVantage. You can use the portal to access any resources, including files, notes, assignments, goals, etc. If you have more questions regarding your client portal, please be sure to review the articles in our knowledge base. Thank you so much for watching this video on how to sign up for a client portal. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us and we will be happy to assist. Have a great day.